are you recording this? I hope not. Were you recording that? Hey, those are my rough takes. Don't do that to me. We're not doing bloopers. I cannot be the joke of the day all the time. You were still recording. I can tell that you recorded. Can you hear that? The music. People are dancing. Breaking it down. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, the JMP Adventures. It's been a long day at work, so now it's 1 o'clock. And I decided to basically come home and do a little bit of a story time. It's been a minute since I've been in front of the camera. Reason being, I'm not a fan of being in front of the camera. I'd rather be behind it and even do voiceovers all day. But in front of it, it's a little bit terrifying. So I guess my story is about my phobia when I grew up in South Africa. But before I get into it, I just want to thank you guys for watching and also subscribing. Really do appreciate you. So my story is about my phobia when I was a kid. It's about horses. Growing up back in the day in South Africa, we had these men that delivered coal and they used horses. If you grew up in South Africa, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And these guys, whenever they delivered coal, they would literally be covered in black ash. So all you can see were their eyes and their teeth. As a kid, you can just imagine how terrifying that was. It was a nightmare for me. So my cousins and my friends, we used to tease these guys and call them names because they were just so dirty. And now that I'm thinking about it, it actually wasn't a good thing. So whenever we did that, they would throw coal back at us. And as a kid, knowing that they can fight back, I was literally scared of them. Terrified is not even the word. And my phobia of horses basically started there. And I was really, really young at that time. So every time that I heard a horse approaching, I would run for my life, literally. So recently I went to face my fears and I went horseback riding. I had a really, really good time. I really did. And since I did that, I basically am obsessed with horses now. Please take a look.
wants to eat. I'm gonna let her eat. Grab a bite. Thank you. Okay, come on, Till. Come on. Come on, Tilly.
There's a horse. Perfect. Continue. There's a horse.